Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee problem. So guys, if you are trying to log in your Telegram account on your device but you're facing this issue and you are unable to log in your account here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and then go to the Telegram app from here, and from here offload Telegram app for one time from your device. So guys, simply offload it, and if you're using Android phone then you have to simply clear cache and data of your Telegram app on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this go to App Store or Play Store and search for Telegram, and then download and install the latest version of Telegram app on your device. So I simply search for Telegram app and download and install the latest version of Telegram app on your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open settings again, and then you have to simply go to general and from here scroll it below and go to VPN and device management, and from here turn on the VPN on your device. So guys, simply turn on the VPN, or after this go back and go to language and region, tap on region and change your country or region for one time from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time and then check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact the Telegram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.